ETEX is committed to decarbonising its production processes. By focusing on the drying process at our Promat factory in Tisselt, we took on one of the biggest decarbonisation challenges for making fire protection boards. Roughly 60% of the manufacturing stage's footprint comes from the energy used in the drying process. Reducing this would be a major breakthrough. That's why Promat, together with the Belgian cleantech company CEE, a trusted partner of ETEX for nearly 20 years, developed a completely new drying process for fire protection boards using superheated steam. The innovative dryer with CFD-optimized mechanical design consists of a continuously rotating 100-meter-long chain with 800 mounted forks and is designed to handle a wide variety of boards. Smartly designed platforms and ladders ensure maintenance accessibility within the tight available space. All production data are captured from start to finish in an automated, fully traceable way. The boards move through 2 customized shorter zones for gentle heating of the board, followed by 6 standardized longer zones for maximized applied drying force. During their trajectory in the dryer, the boards are precisely warmed up to the ideal temperature. The dryer operates under superheated steam conditions. Water evaporation is regulated in stages under precise temperature and airflow control, ensuring the boards dry evenly with consistent quality. The complete dryer has been optimized to reduce energy at every stage. We take energy efficiency to the next level thanks to a state-of-the-art industrial heat pump, recovering and reusing heat, creating the next generation of low-energy drying. With this new line, we save up to 66% of energy in the drying process of Promat fire protection boards. This is part of Promat's clear change agenda for a more sustainable portfolio and reflects ETEX's strong decarbonisation commitment. Products made on this line have lower embodied carbon and enable architects and contractors to select low-carbon fire protection solutions for sustainable buildings. Thanks to the collaboration between CEE and ETEX, an innovative technology has brought a more sustainable solution to the market. Together beyond the obvious, advancing expertise to build a safe and sustainable world.